Good morning. Today is Sunday. I took yesterday off because I had gone for way too long before I had a rest day. But I actually did work out. I just did P90 sculpting, so I did a weight workout for quite some time, but it felt good. But today I went back to max 30 and I did max out power, the one that I just don't like, but it was awesome. It was good. As you can see, I'm still sweating. I think I have some still on my lips here. This is really hard, and I've always said if I can get past the push-ups, I definitely could go further, and I did. What I did with the push-ups, though, is I had to modify. The first one, which was the plyo jacks, I've done them for some time, not for 45 seconds, but I've done them. I just pushed through, I mentally did it, and I was able to get through that piece of it, and the rest of it I had to do on my knees. It was the only way to make it through. So I did make it through, and instead of my initial thought of trying to get to 13 minutes, I made it to 19:06. So if I got past my stubbornness of wanting to do it on my toes, I actually was able to make it through a lot further in many different segments and make it to 19 minutes. It still was hard, and the last one is just killing. He makes it, iron legs, and it is awful, but I made it and I finished. So I'm really proud of myself. And see, I got my new Fitbit. Woo-hoo. I love this one. It's fantastic. I like it so much better than the Flex, and I will tell you, with the heart rate, I could tell how much further I went, and I hit a max of 146 beats per minute at my hardest point. So although this one's very much of an interval and up and down, I did hit 146 beats per minute, which is pretty darn high. So I'm excited. So have a great day. Happy Super Bowl day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.